Today, we're getting into the story of Bugatti, its rise, its fall, and its incredible rebirth.
It's a story that spans a century, full of incredible highs and just devastating lows. You've got the peak of car making on one side and total personal heartbreak on the other.
So it all begins with this guy, Ettore Bugatti, born into a famous artistic family in Milan. So yeah, art was definitely in his blood, but for him, engineering was his canvas.
And get this, at just 19, he landed his first pro contract to design cars. 19.
His whole philosophy was different. He believed a small, light car could always beat a heavy, powerful one. So in 1909, he started his own company, and the racetrack, that was his showroom. And pretty soon, his cars weren't just competing. They were completely dominating racetracks all over Europe. His masterpiece, the Type 35, was a true game changer. It won over 1,000 races. Okay, so they've conquered racing. Now Ettore and his son Jean aimed for ultimate luxury. And the result? The Type 41 Royale. It was made exclusively for kings and aristocrats. But then the Great Depression hit. To survive, the company had to start building rail cars.
The future really rested on one person, Ettore's son, Jean, a brilliant engineer and his successor.
And things were looking up. In June 1939, they won the 24 Hours of Le Mans. But just 2 months later, Jean was killed testing that very same car. An unbelievable tragedy. And just like that, everything fell apart. Ettore lost his son, his factory, and his company. He was just completely broken. He died in 1947, only 10 days after getting his company back. For decades, the brand was silent. Then, in 1998, Volkswagen bought what was left. Their goal? Go back to Ettore's original vision, build the absolute best cars in the world. And with the Veyron and Chiron, they did just that, shattering speed records all over again. So, the brand is reborn, a true modern powerhouse. But you have to wonder, is this what Ettore dreamed of?